Everybody keeps talking about AI like it's some future problem. It's not. Companies are already asking a very dangerous question. Why do we need 10 people when 2 people using AI can do the same work? And once a company realizes that, everything changes. Because AI doesn't need to fully replace your job. It just needs to make companies think, maybe we don't need this many employees anymore. That's the real danger. Not robots taking over the world. Just corporations realizing software is cheaper than salaries. And honestly, it's happening way faster than people expected. 2 years ago, AI could barely answer questions properly. Now it writes code, edits videos, answers emails, creates presentations, and every few months it suddenly learns another skill people thought would take years. That's why so many white-collar workers are suddenly nervous. Programmers, designers, writers, office workers. Because for the first time, a lot of people are realizing something uncomfortable. The future is not coming slowly anymore. It's already here.